Hey guys, how you doing tonight? It's Crispy Reviewer here, it's Chris, and as you have probably already noticed by the title of this video, I am starting to do a different kind of video. If you guys have been following me on Twitter, you probably know or may have heard me post a couple things about me needing help with the jailbreak and all that stuff with computers. So basically, if you don't already know, I'm not really that good with computers, not really that good with all that technical stuff. I know the basics and all that, but I'm not really a really huge computer person, I guess. So what I'm calling these videos that I'm making is Ask Chris. So that's probably the title, like Ask Chris number 1 or something like that. So, okay. So basically what I'm going to do in all these videos is ask you guys questions out there, and hopefully you guys can answer my questions and post some posts down in the comment section below. So that's what I'm just going to start doing whenever I need help from you guys instead of you guys needing help from me. Okay? So for this Ask Chris number 1, I actually have 2 questions, or no, 3 questions. Pretty basic questions, I think, except for maybe the third one. So let's just start this out. My first question is, what was it again? Oh yeah, okay. So my first question is, as you guys may or might not know, I work at Rite Aid, and I totally hate my job. If you didn't already know that, if you've been following me on Twitter, you've probably heard me talk about that a few times. But what I'm looking for is an app that I can play at work that only requires me to use one thumb, as like if I'm texting. So I could just sit there at work like this with one thumb and play a game like this without using the accelerometer, okay? That's what I want you guys to go help me find. So if you guys know a good app like that, please post it, the name of it, and where I can find it in the video description. That would be totally great. So like I said, just an app that doesn't use the accelerometer, and that I can just use one thumb and one hand to play. Nothing sideways like this. I want it to be up like this and only one thumb. Okay, those are the apps I'm looking for. So please post that down below. That'd be totally great. Um, so for this, like if you're answering a question, then answer like this. Since this is the app that I want, put an A and then dash whatever the app is that you are recommending. So that'll just make it a little bit easier for me to find out what I'm looking for. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys. My second question is, I want to know if you guys have jailbroken, as I have. You probably have noticed already. What kind of themes are you guys using? I'm really curious to download new themes, all that kind of stuff. I am using Winterboard. I think that's what it's called, and I've got a pretty good amount of themes here. I'm using Hackintosh right now, and I'm using the, where is it? The MacBook Air keyboard. So these are some of the themes that I've downloaded. A really cool one is the Vista one. Where is it? Gears of War 2 is a really cool one. And Vista Maximus Perfection, that's a really cool theme as well. But right now I'm using this Hackintosh, and it's actually pretty sweet. And as you can... What? Yeah, so... oh yeah, so that's my second question is, what kind of themes do you guys use, and what do you think is really cool that you would want me to go check out and maybe use as my theme? So if you want to answer this question for me, put a T dash or comment in the section and just tell me how I could find it or what it's called, because how I'm getting all these themes going into Cydia and then going to either like categories and then themes and looking in there, or if you guys just tell me what I can search. So let's say I open Cydia. Let's get it to load real quick. I open Cydia and I go to search. So if you guys want to answer this question, tell me what I should put in the search bar and have it pop up, okay? And tell me where on the list it'll be popping up. So let's say you wanted to recommend me a Gears of War theme. Tell me to put the T dash and then put, tell me what you want me to put in the search bar. So let's say you wanted me to put in Gears of War, and it's the third one down. So I would type in Gears of War. And then you said it's the third one down, so there it is. So that's how I want you guys to help me figure out some cool themes and stuff like that. So that's question number 2, and then question number 3 is probably going to be a harder question for me to do just because I'm not that great with computers and it's going to be hard to explain in just a comment. But I'm trying to figure out how to get like cracked apps. I'm not really sure how to do that or how that all works, or if you have to really do a lot of computer stuff with that, or if it's just on the iPod, something you have to download. But if you guys know like a link to a good video tutorial on how to do it, or I don't know, anything like that, that would be pretty cool if you guys could help me out with a link or something like that. So if you want to help me, if you want to help me out with that, put a, what did I say already? I said, put a C and then dash your comment, however you want to help describe to me how to figure this out. Alright guys, so that's just those are my 3 questions. So this is my new sort of video category there, Ask Chris. This should be Ask Chris #1 in the title. So please answer any of the questions you want. You can answer 1, you can answer 2, you can answer all 3, or you can answer none and just post a regular comment as you wish. So anything would be great, guys. Please, the 5 stars I'd enjoy as well. Enjoy, and that sounded kind of weird. I'd appreciate the 5 stars, and if you like my videos and like what I do, the yellow subscribe button will probably be down there because I'm in HD. So please click that as well, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.